SprayTech is the way forward, cuzzy. Yes guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Gerald from SprayTech, and this week is going to be a bit of a different week. Dave is not here for the whole week. Reese is not here because he was in Amsterdam. I think he'll be back tomorrow. It's a Monday morning, fresh week, fresh cars. You know how we do. You know what I'm saying? So here we got a customer's car. It's arrived morning and we're straight on job. He's already scratched down the car. So there was a scratch there and he's already working on it. Hopefully it should be done very, very soon. So this is a 23 plate Audi Q3 TFSI-E. This 2 Series has been polished, still not finished yet. I've been saying this for like 2 weeks now. Hopefully that will be finished soon. This is looking a lot better. This camper van is looking a lot better. You alright?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Welding.
Still welding.
Grind, yeah.
Welding and grinding.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all of that. That's all rust.
Yeah. That's the inside of the panel. No strength to it.
So let Luke carry on with his work. We got this Mercedes A-Class here, as you saw from the last video. So it's been touched down. I think it is ready for paint. It's been filled, everything on this side, you can see. So currently we've got a problem on this Mercedes X-Class. So this has been repaired with us. We've repaired the car, but the car is saying it needs SOS module. Someone attempted to rob the car, but the car was recovered back in under 24 hours. So we've painted the car. Most of the car has been painted. We need to get that SOS module as soon as possible because the car was meant to go out today, but we still don't have that part. And the earliest we can do it with Mercedes is February. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, Kieran's currently checking the car. He's put the diagnostic kit in the car and is checking all the faults. Hopefully we can come up with something, with a solution to fix the car. Yeah, he's not in the mood to be on camera today. He is very angry, but I understand. He's got a lot of things going on. It's understandable. As you guys can see, Mark is currently working on the Audi A3. He's filled the rear quarter panel. He's currently doing the front headlight. As you can see there, it is cracked, it is broken. And we have a brand new one to go on. How are you finding it, Mark? Easy to work or no?
Yeah, it's not too bad so far.
It's all good, yeah? Everything's going to plan?
Nothing really goes to plan until it's finished.
Morning guys, it's a Tuesday morning and we are on job. If you didn't know, we are doing a giveaway on Christmas Eve, hopefully. We're taking people out in the Mercedes Sprinter. As you know, it's a one of one. No one's got a similar build to us in the UK. So guys, we got this Audi A5. They only come in for a bonnet repair because the bonnet paint has been peeling off. I was doing a pre-check on the car and I found out that the whole of the front bumper is stone chipped. I'll show you now. As you can see there, see all of these white spots all over the car. And as you can see there, the headlight is out of place. The whole of the bumper is like that and it's pretty bad. So I've contacted the customer and they said, yeah, they want to do the front bumper. So yeah, we'll be getting that done. What's going on with the Audi?
Just a bumper and bonnet paint.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
So, this van has just come in from a customer and as you can see, damage is pretty bad. The engine won't start, the van won't start at all. It's got a problem with the engine lights on, all the lights are on. As you can see there, well, most of the van's damaged, really. There's a big dent right there. See that? Misaligned. Bumper is finished, light is finished. This light seems to be okay, no problems, no problems. Part missing. No problem, no problem, no problem. Scratches, no problem, scratches. What's going on?
Painting tonight?
Painting, yeah? I love this blue, man. I just like it, I don't know why.
You're painting?
I want to paint it, yeah.
Have to go, man.
Yes guys, so what I'm currently doing is I'm checking in.
Why am I bent? Wait, am I bent? I'm not bent, I'm straight.
That was a f***ing lie.
No, but am I bent on the camera?
Nah, there we go, that's all good. So guys,
Nah, for real, for real. So what I'm currently doing is, I'm checking in this Ford Fiesta. It's a customer's car. He came in yesterday and yeah, we're straight on job. The rear end of the car is finito. The rear windscreen is broken. I'll show you in a sec.
Is this car auto or manual? It is a manual. Mileage. Let's check the mileage. So currently I'm taking the mileage in, and this car has got very low miles. It's only got 43k on the clock. 43,700 miles. Car is drivable. Right hand drive, yes. Imported, no. Contents left, no. So now we move on to the damage. As you can see there, I have to take photos of the whole car. There is no windscreen on the car. There's 2 scratches on the car, so scratch there and take a photo of the scratch. Wait, why is the camera following me? Bro.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
How are you, brother?
Alright, yeah.
Are you getting along, cuzzy?
Too bad.
So we're having a bit of an issue with getting this bumper to kind of sit on. So what we decided to do, because, you know, professional outfit that we are, we decided to, yeah, go on, carry on screwing that up.
Oh, screw it.
Look at that, perfect. Fuck. Do you know what I mean? So if you're having trouble getting your bumper to stick on, just get a wood screw. I think you get them from Wix, B&Q, or any other hardware store, and literally on a screwdriver, screw it in, or a drill, whatever.
Come, mate.
Yeah. Straight on. Your bumper's not going anywhere, and it'll help with lining up. Look at that line. Look at the panel gap there. Absolutely perfect. So yeah, and just in case you can't get your arch trim on, yeah, we've just put 2 extra here for him. Actually 3 we've put in there, just because it's going to secure that extra nice. So just remember, you ever need anything like that, B&Q or Wix, even though it's for home renovation, it'll work on your car, yeah? So literally impact straight in your car.
Where's the wood screw? 2 there, 1 up here. Got the stake behind this.
Jeez. Oh my god.
Come on, broski.
Big repairs.
That's a crack. He's tried to have it repaired before, and someone's done a fuck job.
Someone What? Is that grass? Is that grass in there?
Nah, it's fiberglass filler.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Basically, what I'm seeing here is he's had a previous damage in this area, must have gotten a crash or someone's bumped into him, and he's took it somewhere or he's done it himself by the looks of it, and it's obviously cracked here before, as you can see. He hasn't made any slight bother, he's just backfilled it with fiberglass. And some wood screws, yeah. So the rough get, I mean, look at that. What It's just bizarre that there's some extents that some people go to repair the car without paying. And this is what happens, he's spent money, added and it's come back again. So he's ended up actually wasting more money than taking it to an actual garage who has somewhat idea what they're doing and getting a proper repair. It's terrible.
So guys, we just picked up this BMW from a customer because they have damaged the wing mirror. As you can see, the whole car is okay, it's just the wing mirror there. So I have just unwrapped the mirror and this is what it looks like. So we'll have to order a new mirror because no way in hell you can repair this. So the Audi is finished. It's just getting its final touches done. Just getting polished right now. That will be done today, washed and sent off out to the customer. As you can see, car looks fresh, brand new.
So you fail. That's why you do it right this time around, isn't it?
So we are just testing the car before we give it back to the customer. Works all good now. Great success. The Audi is done, ready to be collected. Is it painted, is it? Woo! Woo! Getting it cleaned. Is it warm? No. Oh. So it's just like air, normal air. So guys, we've received, well I picked up this van today. It is for a customer as you see there, this needs repairing. See right there, that needs repairing. So hopefully by Monday or Tuesday it should be done. Yeah, easy repair. We got this Corsa here, as you can see, all that damage there, all of that. This has just come in. All four wheels are curbed, and it's got a mechanical problem. You can see it's all curbed. Look at the damage there. That's not good. See there, that's out as well. And there's more damage here. See there. Scratches, more scratches, more scratches, more scratches, more scratches, more scratches. That's actually bent. Not even scratched, that's actually bent.
Thank you for watching SprayTech, guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for our upcoming videos.